Hello everyone, welcome to Johnsilin'S tutorial. Last time we have studied many of the types of noun, pronoun and further ahead. So let's start today with a new one, types of adjective. So our today's topic is types of adjective. Okay, so let's see, there are 8 types of adjective. Okay, so with adjectives are an integral part of English language. They help us to add more meaning to our sentence and make them more descriptive. Adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns or pronouns. They come in different types, each with a specific purpose. In this article, we will be exploring the 6 types of adjective with examples in sentences. So, children, types of adjectives are not more important. Only in some school it's important or it is taught. But rather than that, we don't have any types of adjective. But for some references, let's study it. Altogether, there are 8, but only 6 might be useful, and that also for only particular specific schools. Okay, so let's move forward. So this is our first type of adjective, that is descriptive adjective. Okay, descriptive adjective. What is descriptive adjective? Descriptive adjectives are the most common type of adjectives. They describe the physical appearance, size, shape, color, or any other quality of a noun. Remember this, they describe the physical appearance, size, shape, color, or any other quality of a noun. Okay, for example, the beautiful sunset lit up the sky. The beautiful sunset lit up the sky. So, what is the adjective in this sentence? Everyone knows it's beautiful and it's describing something. What it is describing? It's describing sunset. Okay, it's describing sunset, that how it is lit up in the sky. Okay, so this will be our answer. Let's go to another sentence. The tall giraffe reached for the leaves on the trees. The tall giraffe reached for the leaves on the tree. Okay, so how is the giraffe? It's tall. It's describing something, right? What it is describing? It's describing the giraffe. Okay, and it reached for the leaves on the trees. Okay, so in descriptive sentence, the only thing you'll have to remember is it will describe the physical appearance, size, shape, color, or any other quality of a noun. So the qualities of the noun will be the description and the answer for your sentence in descriptive adjective. Okay, hope you all have understood it. Let's move further. The next one is quantitative adjective. Okay, quantitative. This word may be familiar with you. Let's see what it has to say to us. Quantitative adjectives describes the quantity or amount of a noun. Quantitative adjective describes the quantity or amount of a noun. They answer questions like how much or how many. Okay, remember these 2 words. They answer questions like how much or how many. For example, she had 6 delicious cupcakes for dessert. She had 6 delicious cupcakes for dessert. So, which is the quantitative? First of all, what is mean by quantitative? It is numbers. Okay, quantity. How much quantity? It will describe you in numbers or amount of a noun. Okay, so which one is the quantitative adjective in this sentence? As I said, that quantitative adjective is in a form of a number. So here our answer is 6. Okay, so let's go for another one. We need more paper to print the report. We need more paper to print the report. So which one is the quantitative adjective in this sentence? It's more. Okay, see, let's go to the description. It will describe the quantity or amount. The quantity or amount. So this is the, if this is the amount, this will be your quantity. Okay, got it? Got the difference between quantity and amount, and both will describe us in quantitative adjective. Okay, let's move forward. Okay. So the next one is demonstrative adjective. What is demonstrative adjective? Adjectives are used to point out or identify a noun. They can be either singular or plural. Okay, so demonstrative adjectives are used to point out or identify a noun. To point out or identify a noun. They can be either singular or plural. For example, this book is mine. It's written in a singular form. This book is mine. Those shoes are too big. Those shoes are too big. It's written in a plural form. Okay. Now, when it's this, it's talking about a single person. Okay. It's talking about a single person and it's talking about a single book. So it's singular. Okay. And here, those shoes. Have you all seen pairs of shoes? Is it one or two? Two, right? So, those shoes, it's referred to two shoes. Okay, it's not written a particular shoe, but it's written shoes. So, it's two shoes. Okay, are too big. It's in a plural form, and hence, this sentence is a demonstrative adjective. The only thing you'll have to remember in demonstrative adjective is it can be either singular or plural. Just remember, it can be either singular or plural. That's it. Okay, let's move on further. Possessive adjective. What is possessive adjective? It shows ownership or possession of a noun. They indicate who owns or has the noun. They indicate who owns or has the noun. For example, his car is parked in the driveway. His car is parked in the driveway. Before we go to the example, let's go for the definition again. Possessive adjectives show ownership or possession of a noun. Possessive adjective shows ownership or possession of a noun. See, his car is parked in the driveway. Whose car is it? It's his. So it's showing the ownership. Okay. Is parked in the driveway. He is particular sure where to put the car. Okay. I mean it in the complete correct place. Okay. So he has put his car in the driveway. So this is the place where he has put his car. So this sentence shows the possession. And this sentence shows the ownership. Okay. So in a one particular sentence, it will be divided into two. But you all have to understand the difference between ownership and the possession. Okay. Let's move on further. Our team won the championship. Our team won the championship. Our team. This is the ownership. Our team won the championship. This will be your possession to win that particular thing in a particular match. Okay. So in possessive adjective, it's only about the ownership or possession in a sentence. Okay. Fine. Let's move further. Interrogative adjective. Okay. So what is interrogative adjectives? Interrogative adjectives are used to ask questions about a noun. They are placed before the noun. They modify, for example, which color do you prefer? The simple thing I can say for interrogative adjective is y'all can just recognize this question mark. Interrogative sentence you all must have heard. In that also, you all have to just identify the WH word as well as the question mark. Same goes for your. You all have to identify the WH word as well as the question mark. Okay. So which color do you prefer? It's asking us a question. Okay. It will always ask you a question. Whose phone is ringing? Got it? It will always ask you a question. Remember it. I hope it was quite simple. The next one, indefinite adjectives. Okay, let's see what it has to tell us. Indefinite adjectives refer to an unspecified or unknown quantity of a noun. They can be used to describe a singular or plural noun. They can be used to describe a singular or a plural noun. For example, some people like spicy food. Several students missed the test. Some, several. This is describing. It's a describing word. Okay. See, they can be used to describe a singular or plural. Some. They have not given you a correct number how many. It's only written some. Okay. Here, it's again written several. They have not given you here also a proper number. So where their proper number is not given, rather than that, these type of words are used. It's known as indefinite adjectives. Okay. See, indefinite adjectives refer to unspecified or unknown quantity. See, it's unspecified how much people like spicy food. And here also, it's unspecified that how many students, like one or two or three students, how many have missed the test. Okay, it's unidentified. Okay, an unknown quantity. Okay, got it? I hope it was quite simple. That's it. Okay, so these were the types of adjectives that we have to learn. Six were the main important, and that also only in some school it's important. Rather than that, none of the school ask for types of adjective. Okay, fine. Do not forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't. Please go ahead and do subscribe it. Also like and share it to all your friends who are in need of these types of grammar lessons. Thank you.